Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to auto reply to YouTube comments using Perplexity AI with Pabbly Connect. So here I'm running a YouTube channel, and on my YouTube channel I'm receiving a lot of comments on my videos. Now what I want is to save my time and energy. I want to automatically reply to all these comments. So here for generating the comment reply, I'm going to use Perplexity AI, and as I'm going to generate that content for the reply, what I'm going to do is I'm going to automatically create new reply on my YouTube video. So here for my objective, I need to build a connection between YouTube and Perplexity AI. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing software for automation and integration. Now with Pabbly Connect, as I'm going to receive a new comment on my YouTube video, then automatically I'm going to generate the reply by using Perplexity AI, and after generating that reply, I'm going to create that reply on my YouTube video. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can auto reply to YouTube comments using Perplexity AI with Pabbly Connect. So imagine I'm a YouTuber and I have a business with YouTube channel that receives a large volume of comments on my videos. But manually replying to each comment can be time consuming, especially when my audience expects timely responses. So by integrating Perplexity AI with Pabbly Connect, I can automate replies to YouTube comments in a natural conversational manner, and this is going to save me time while ensuring that my audience remains engaged. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to build a connection between YouTube and Perplexity AI, that whenever I'm going to receive a new comment on my YouTube channel, then automatically by using Perplexity AI, I'm going to create a reply or generate a content for the reply for the comment that I've received on my video on my YouTube channel. And automatically as I'm going to generate that content, I'm going to post that reply on that comment on my YouTube channel. So here for setting up this automation and this process, what I need to do is I need to use Pabbly Connect. And with Pabbly Connect, I can build this connection between YouTube and Perplexity AI without any coding and programming skills. So here for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. And for using Pabbly Connect, I need to open a new tab, and I need to search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the landing page, I have these two options of sign in and sign up for free. If we don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then we can just click on the sign up for free button, and this will take only 2 minutes of our time, and we will get 100 tasks free every month. Or if we already have an account, we can just sign in and we will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I just need to click on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect, and this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the dashboard, what I need to do is I need to create a new workflow, and for that I'm going to click on this Create Workflow button, and this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to auto reply to YouTube comments using Perplexity AI with Pabbly Connect. Now what I need to do is I need to select the folder where I want to save my workflow, so I'm going to open this tab, and here I will find all the folders that I have in my Pabbly Connect account. And I'm going to use this particular folder of YouTube videos, so I'm going to select this. And now I'm going to click on Create. And here it will take us to this page. And in this page, we can see we have these two boxes of trigger and action. So trigger and action are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action is just going to follow that. So here in our workflow, we can only set up single trigger step and multiple action steps. So here for setting up my trigger, what I need to do is I need to first search for my trigger application, and here my trigger application is going to be YouTube. So I'm going to search for that, and I need to select YouTube here. Now I have to give a trigger event, so I'm going to open this tab. A new comment on a channel will be my trigger event, so I'm going to select this. And now I'm going to connect YouTube with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on Connect. I will click on Add New Connection, and I need to click on Connect with YouTube. So I'm going to do that. And now I have to click on Continue to give access to my account. So I'm going to do that. And here I have successfully connected YouTube with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. Now what I need to do is I need to first select my channel, and in my YouTube account I only have one channel that is named as demo channel. So I'm going to select that, and now I have to give the max results. So the max results parameter specifies the maximum number of items that should be written in the results set. So here I can give the value of the comments that we want to get as our result. So here I'm going to use my maximum result as 1. So every time I'm going to receive a new comment on my YouTube channel, then I will get that result here in this response. Now what I need to do is I need to take you back to my YouTube channel, and here this is my YouTube channel, and I have added all these videos on my channel. Now here I'm going to use any of these videos, and I'm going to open that video in a new YouTube account so that I can create a new comment on that video. So I'm going to use this video, so I'm going to open that. Now here this is my YouTube video, and in this I'm going to create a new comment. So I'm going to write my comment here, and my comment will be, the video was very nice and I really like your content. So this is going to be my comment, and I'm going to create this comment. So I'm going to do that. And here I have created this comment on this video for my YouTube channel. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to Pabbly Connect, and as I've created a new comment on my YouTube video, I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we can see I have received this response. So in this response, I have all these details of my comment that I've just received on my YouTube video. So here I have this comment that says the video was very nice and I really like your content. So this was the comment that I just created on my YouTube video. And here I have received this response for my comment. And in this I have my video ID. Also in this I have the ID of my comment. So this is my comment ID, and I have all these other details. Now here we can see that I have received this response of the new comment on my YouTube channel. And here I have received this response, but if you don't receive this response instantly, then you don't have to worry, because this is a polling based response and you are going to receive this response within the next 10 minutes. So these 10 minutes are the polling time of YouTube, and in these 10 minutes what is going to happen is that as we are going to receive a new comments on our YouTube channel, then automatically within these 10 minutes it is going to start processing that comment, and all the data of the comments will be sent automatically to Pabbly Connect. So every time we will receive a new comments on our YouTube channel, then we have to wait for the next 10 minutes to get that response, and within the next 10 minutes we are going to receive the responses of the new comments on our YouTube channel here in Pabbly Connect. So here this is the polling based response, and now I'm going to scroll down, and here I have received the response of this comment. Now what I need to do is that as I have received the new comment on my YouTube channel, I need to automatically generate the reply to that comment by using Perplexity AI. So here I'm going to use the content of my comment, and I'm going to use this comment to generate a new reply to this comment. Now here, for generating the content of my reply for this comment, I'm going to set up my actions tab, and here I'm going to open this tab. And here in the actions tab, I'm going to search for my action application that is going to be Perplexity AI. So I'm going to select Perplexity AI here. And now I have to give my action event. So I'm going to open this tab, and create chat completion will be my action event. So I'm going to select this, and I'm going to connect Perplexity AI with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. I will click on add new connection, and here for connecting Perplexity AI with Pabbly Connect, I need to give a token. So how I'm going to get this token? For that I need to first log into my Perplexity AI account, and then I need to navigate to settings, where I will find the option of API, and in API I have to generate a new API key, and that is going to be my token. So for this, let me take you to Perplexity AI, and now I'm going to go to settings, and here in settings I have this option of API, so I'm going to open that, and here in API I have this option of API keys, so I'm going to generate a new API key. So I'm going to click on this generate button, and here it has generated this API key. So this is going to be my token, and I'm going to use this. So I have to copy this token. I will go back to Pabbly Connect, and I'm going to paste that here in this tab of token. Now I have filled my token, so I'm going to click on save, and I have connected Perplexity AI with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. Now what I need to do is I need to first select my models, so I'm going to open this tab, and here I have all these models that I can use in Perplexity AI, and in this I'm going to use this Llama 3.1 Sonar Large 128K online model. So I'm going to select this, and now I have to select my roles. So I'm going to use this role of users, so I'm going to select this, and by using this role I'm going to create the content for the reply to the comment that I've received on my YouTube channel. So for that I need to give the content user, and here this content user is going to work as my prompt. So here I need to type the prompt by using which I can generate the reply for the comment. And here the content user will be, I am giving you the comment that I have received on my YouTube channel. Review that comment and give me a reply to the comment that I can post on my channel. Keep the formatting as plain text without bolding or highlighting any text or header. Strictly avoid adding any special characters such as ** in the content or headers, as I will be using the same content for the YouTube channel. Only give me the content for my comment. So here this is going to be my content user, and after this YouTube comment : I'm going to add the comment that I've received on my YouTube channel. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my response of YouTube, and I'm going to map the response of the comment that I've received on my YouTube channel, and I'm going to map that here so that Perplexity AI can review that comment and it can generate the reply for that comment. So here for that I'm going to use mapping, and what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping I need to click here. I will open the response of YouTube, and here this is my comment, so I'm going to map this, and here this is going to be my content user. Now what I need to do is I need to fill all these details, and I need to first give my max tokens. So here I'm going to give the maximum tokens for which I want to generate my content, and here 200 is going to be my max tokens. Now I have to fill these details of temperature, presence penalty, frequency penalty, top K and top P. So these are the details for increasing my frequency and randomness or uniqueness of my content, and I can fill these details so that it will make my content most random and unique. But I don't want to fill these details, so I'm not going to fill any of these details. But if you want to fill these details and if you want to create your content unique and random, then you can fill these details. Now here I'm going to leave these tabs blank, and I'm going to click on Save and Send Test to Get button. And here we can see I have received this response. So in this response we can see I have received this message content, and in this message content we can see I have received this response. So this is the response, or this is the reply of my comment that I have received through Perplexity AI, and it has automatically generated by using Perplexity AI. So here this is going to be my reply, that is, thank you so much for your kind words. I'm glad you enjoyed the video and appreciate your support. It means a lot to me that my content is resonating with you. If you have any questions or need more information on the topic, feel free to ask. Looking forward to your next comment. So here this is going to be my reply to the comment that I've received on my YouTube channel. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to automatically post this as a reply to the comment on my YouTube channel. So for that I need to add one more action step. And here I'm going to search for YouTube. I'm going to select YouTube here. And I'm going to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab. And here I have this option of reply to comment. So I'm going to select this as my action event. And now I'm going to connect YouTube with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. And here I have already built this connection between YouTube and Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to use this existing connection. So I'm going to click on save. And here I have connected YouTube with Pabbly Connect. Now here for replying to my comment, I have to give the reply text and the comment ID. So here I'm going to give my reply text from my previous steps of Perplexity AI. So I'm going to map that. I'm going to click here. I will open this response of Perplexity AI. And here this is my reply content. So I'm going to map this. And now I'm going to give my comment ID. So I'm going to click here. I will open this response of YouTube. And here in this response, I have this comment ID. So I'm going to map this. And now I have mapped all these details, and I have made all these details dynamic. So what is going to happen is that every time I'm going to receive a new comment on my YouTube channel, then I will receive the new response of the comment. And every time I'm going to receive the new response, then automatically all these details that I've mapped here in these steps are going to get replaced with the new details, and automatically it will first generate the new content for the comment. And after generating that content, it will automatically create a new reply for the comment in YouTube. Now I have filled all the required details. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Save and Send Test to Get button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have successfully created a new reply to the comment that I have received on my YouTube channel. So to check whether I have auto replied to the comment that I have received on my YouTube channel or not, let me take you to my YouTube channel. And here this was my video on which I have received the comment. So I'm going to go to comments. And here this was my comment, that was, the video was very nice and I really like your content. And here we can see I have automatically replied to this comment. So I have just created this reply, and the reply is, Thank you so much for your kind words. I'm glad you enjoyed the video and appreciate your support. It means a lot to me to know that my content is resonating with you. If you have any questions or need more information on the topic, feel free to ask. Looking forward to your next comment. So here we can see that I have generated this reply by using Perplexity AI, and automatically I have replied to the comment that I have received on my YouTube channel. So here, every time I'm going to receive a new comment on my YouTube channel on any of the video, then automatically by using Perplexity AI, I'm going to generate the reply to that comment, and I'm going to post that as a reply on that particular comment. So here I've successfully created this automation and the system between YouTube and Perplexity, and now I'm going to auto reply to all the comments on my YouTube channel by using Perplexity AI. So here I've created this automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to take you to Pabbly Connect, and here I've successfully connected YouTube with Perplexity AI to auto reply to YouTube comments using Perplexity AI with Pabbly Connect. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I've set up my trigger, and my trigger application was YouTube, and my trigger event was new comment on a channel. Then I've set up my actions tab, and in my actions tab I have first used Perplexity AI to create chat completion or create reply to my comment. Then I have set up my last actions tab where I have again used YouTube, and here my action event was reply to comment. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there, and thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.